Check this out, everyone. This is Thomas coming to you from MGM Classic Cars.com here in Addison, Illinois. And today I have a brand new build, finished, completed, frame off restoration, the year 2022. Just completed 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle 454, big block motor, aluminum high-rise intake with some headers, power steering, and the power disc brakes. Beautiful finish. Core supports painted high gloss black. Latches are all painted argent silver, how they came from the manufacturer, dealer, let's say. Beautiful tuxedo black paint, white rally stripes painted. Everything on this car is brand new. The grille, the trim, the glass, the chrome, the wheels, the tires. Look how straight this body is. Look at this. Beautiful reflection on the tuxedo black paint. Big 12 in the back, how it's supposed to. Undercarriage is unbelievable as well. And continuing here on the passenger side, just excellent paint and straight body throughout the Chevelle, as you can see there. On the interior, you got bucket seats, console gauges, SS gauge package, tilt wheel, door panels, SS, beautiful weather stripping. Look at those door sill plates, all brand new. Inner outer door jambs are excellent. We are adding the stereo system in the car with speakers as well. Excellent interior, guys, gals. The trunk is brand new as well. Watch this. Get the key in here. My mechanics right there in the back tune this car to the T. See how that closes? We do offer financing here at MGM Classic Cars for this vehicle. If your credit score is between 600 and 739, you will need about 10% down, and you can find the credit application at mgmclassiccars.com and click the finance tab and submit it. For those of you who have a credit score of 750 and higher, please go to lightstream.com. They have a little bit better rate for excellent credit clients. No money down option, unsecured loans. Check them out at the credit application at lightstream.com. For those of you who need delivery, I can do so. Go grab a pen, and I'm going to give you my phone number for a quote. If you guys are watching on YouTube, subscribe to my channel. It's the bottom right button on the bottom of your screen. And if you're watching on Facebook, like it and share it to all your friends. For transportation, my number is 847-848-1850. Go ahead and just text me over your phone number, and I'll get you guys a quote to have this beautiful, brand new, less than 500-mile Chevelle delivered to your doorstep. Okay? Again, phone number 847-848-1850. Text it over. Thanks for watching MGMClassicCars.com.